everyone, my name is Teen and welcome to my free webinar all about how to start reselling digital products made in Canva. But bago tayo mag-start, syempre, ito yung quick overview ng topic natin and alam ko lahat to gusto nyo matutunan. So let's proceed. Okay, just a reminder lang po that beware of fake accounts kasi ang dami pong posters na gumagaya sa mga accounts ko, especially on TikTok. So ito lang pong nasa screen yung mga legit na account ko. And syempre, bago kayo makipag-usap, i-double check nyo muna or i-background check nyo muna if ako ba talaga yung kausap nyo. Because I will never message anyone directly first. For sure, may mga darating pa na mga fake accounts na naman dyan. Kaya naman mag-double check po muna tayo bago tayo makipag-usap. Alright, so ano nga ba ang digital products and paano ba talaga kumikita? Because I am sure kaya ka nandito sa webinar ko, it's because gusto mo malaman or interesado ka kung paano ba talaga nag-work ang digital products. At para magkaroon ka ng idea or reference if ano ba yung mga digital products online, here's the example of digital products. Ayan, pwede mo i-screenshot yan. Bago tayo mag-start talaga, allow me to introduce myself. I am an entrepreneur, seller marketer since 2015. Before then, ay naging brand owner ako ng cosmetics and skincare. Also, a supplier of trendy clothes and mga branded overruns. And naging TikTok affiliate marketer din ako. And right now, of course, I'm a full-time digital product seller for 13 months na. A Rocket PH consistent top seller. And because of that, I gained more than 100K followers combined on all my social media accounts. Of course, other legit and registered business and already closed 5,000 clients worldwide because of my digital product business. Kaya naman, sure talaga na legit itong pinapanood mo. And gusto ko lang din i-share my life before I was living na palagi talagang saktuhan lang yung budget and literal na kayod malala. Kasi as an online seller, I am sure na makaka-relate ka sa akin if nakapag-try ka na magbenta online. At dahil nga na-burnout ako and kung nabasa mo na rin yung stories ko sa Instagram ko, yun yung reason kung bakit ako naghanap ng side hustle or another extra income na pwede kong gawin online lang din at hindi kailangan ng sobrang laking puhunan. Yung tipong kaya ko talagang isabay kahit may iba pa akong business or kahit nag-online pa din ako. Kasi kailangan talaga natin ng extra income or another side hustle para naman mabuhay tayo mga min. Cover ko nga tong digital products last year, August 2023 ako nag-start. After nun, ito na yung naging result. So madami pa actually, hindi ko na lang sinama and I will not go into detail pero sobrang laki ng changes simula nung nag-start ako mag-digital products. Kahit i-background check mo pa yung mga accounts ko sa Instagram, sa TikTok, makikita mo talaga doon kung ano yung naging changes over time dahil sa digital products. Okay, so para mas maintindihan mo bang mabuti, eto meron akong nilagay dito, physical product versus digital product. So matik na yan, pag physical, alam na natin yan, lahat ng nabibili natin ay physical product. Pero sa physical product kasi ito yung mga consumable goods, kailangan meron kang rolling capital, operation expenses, inventories, restocking, at syempre kailangan mo yan i-manage 24/7. So kung nakapag-try ka na mag-online, mag-business, mag-traditional business, I am very sure na alam mo na yung kalakaran kapag ka meron kang physical product or business talaga. Now, with digital products naman, syempre, ito na yung mga ma-access mo lang online or digitally kasi nga hindi natin siya nahahawakan. Pero ang kagandahan dito, lifetime access, digital download, one-time payment, and can access anywhere, anytime. Basta meron kang internet, syempre, at meron kang cellphone or device na gagamitin. Anywhere, anytime, basta online. Kasi pag nasa cellphone na natin yan, hindi na yan mawawala. At para naman mas madali mo pa siyang maintindihan, digital product ay gagawin mo lang siya ng isang beses at pwede mo na siyang ibenta unlimited. Meaning to say, wala pong expiration yung product kasi nga digitally siya ma-access. Lifetime access online, digital download, no shipping and deliveries dahil nga online na siya. Which means na kapag may bumili sa'yo, isisend mo na lang sa kanila yung access and makukuha na nila agad yung product. So anything that you can solve online is considered as digital products. Okay? So let's proceed para mas maintindihan mo pa mabuti kung paano siya nag-work. But wait, just to let you know, unahan na kita, this is not a quick money, easy money. Pero once inaral mo at inortan mo, massive results talaga ang mapapala mo. Dahil ito yung business na automated at instant access. So yes, wala ka nang aasikasuhin na physical products. Only using your phone, laptop, nakakapag-start ka na. Kaya naman, if you are interested paano kumita, keep watching until the end of this webinar. Kailangan muna natin alamin if para sa'yo ba talaga tong digital products. Number one, if totally newbie ka, wala kang idea pero gustong-gusto mo talaga siya subukan. Number two, you are a beginner and not so creative and not techy sa pag-edit. And then number three, busy ka at wala kang time to create your own products. Number four, may idea ka naman pero hindi mo pa rin alam paano sisimulan. And lastly, you want guidance from someone or para may susundan ka at may ready-made products na ibibenta ka na kaagad. Most importantly, this is only for you if gusto mo talaga matuto na magkaroon ng side hustle na pwede mo gawin anytime, anywhere, at possible result with the help and guidance from people na may result na. So if you are one of those na nabanggit ko, then this is for you talaga. Okay, again, alam ko na yung nasa isip mo. Baka isa to sa mga iniisip mo. Hindi siya MLM or networking, hindi to apps or encoding, at lalong-lalo na hindi siya easy money. So wala tayong i-invite, wala kaming task na ipapagawa kasi digital product siya at magkakaroon ka rin ng sarili mong digital products if magre-resell ka. Okay, so I know naririnig mo na to and malamang sa malamang nakikita mo na din to sa mga social media accounts mo, sa newsfeed mo. So, pahapyaw lang, Canva is an editing tool or application na ginagamit ng mga graphic designers dahil meron na dong pre-made templates and customizable products. So, meaning to say, if hindi ka nga talaga creative, hindi ka techie at beginner ka lang, pwedeng-pwede sa'yo yung Canva kasi mas madaling mag-edit doon compare sa mga ibang editing apps katulad ng Adobe Photoshops or whatsoever na mga editing tool. Canva is very, very user-friendly. So in short, Canva plus your device, cellphone, laptop, and then ibebenta mo siya. So katulad na lang nung sa akin, I am selling guides, I am selling planner, ebook, templates. So basically, yung mga buyer ko ay ginagamit nila yung mga templates ko para for personal use nila. Yung iba naman, nire-resell lang din nila yung product at the same time, inaaral nila para makagawa sila ng sarili nilang product on their own. So right now, I'm sure napapatanong ka na, ano ba yung ways to earn in digital products made in Canva? Number one na dyan, create custom digital products for your clients using Canva. Ito nga yung mga customized na product. For example, meron gusto magpagawa ng planner sa'yo, tapos marunong kang mag-edit, then pwede mo i-offer yung skills mo. Now, number two, create your own product from scratch. Number three, rebrand and resell digital products, which is perfect for beginners kasi kapag wala pa silang naiisip na product, pwedeng-pwede muna mag-rebrand and mag-resell. Number four is also learn a new skill and offer it as your service to your clients. So may mga international local na naghahanap ng marunong mag-design sa Canva. Okay, ang daming chika. So how to start ba talaga? For you to start, I want you to learn this two resell license para alam mo yung mga licenses ng digital products bago ka mag-proceed. Number one dito, or una na dito is MRR, Master Resell Rights. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo i-customize yung product, pwede i-edit, pwede i-resell, pwede ipasa ang rights to resell to another reseller. Pero bawal mo palitan yung mismong laman or pinaka-content nung product. And then the next one is PLR, which is private label rights. Merong dalawang rights dito, restricted and unrestricted rights. For restricted, pwede mo i-customize, pwede mo i-edit, pwede mo i-resell, pero bawal mo i-transfer ang resell rights to another person. So, ibig sabihin, if nag-purchase ka ng PLR products, tapos restricted yung rights niya, hanggang sa'yo lang yung resell rights. Bebentahan mo yung iba as a personal use or for end user na lang. Okay? And then another one dito, syempre, ang pinakamaganda ay yung unrestricted rights. Pwede i-customize, pwede i-edit, pwede i-resell at i-rebrand, pwede i-transfer ang resell rights to another person. And then, syempre, yung pinakakapang tatlo is yung end user for personal use only. Ibig sabihin, bibilin lang nila yung product, finished product na siya, hindi editable, hindi napapasa yung rights, and bawal i-resell or bawal ibenta. Kaya naman, importante na alam mo to bago ka mag-start ng digital products mo. So, pwede mo to i-screenshot para balikan mo na lang later on. Ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba having own product versus reselling products? For own product, syempre, ikaw ang gagawa nito, ikaw mag-iisip ng concept, ikaw mag-iisip ng idea, product based on your niche skills or interest. May full control ka on your own product kasi ikaw yung gumawa. At syempre, double time and effort. Kailangan talaga aralin mo siya at laanan mo ng oras. Self-study on your own, product research, market independently. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang mag-market mag-isa. Controllable competition. So, makokontrol mo yung mga competitors mo kasi makakapili ka ng sarili mong product. Of course, dapat creative and techy ka dahil ikaw nga yung gagawa ng own products mo. But with reselling digital products naman, ito yung mga ready-made na yung product, best for beginner and not creative, has a market demand. Ibig sabihin, proven na meron talagang bumibili. Meron ng marketing strategy na effective talaga dahil nagawa na ng iba. Existing profitable products, ibig sabihin, profitable talaga siya sa market at meron talagang demand. Less time consuming kasi hindi ka na magagawa from scratch. Product can be, ayan nga, modified and rebrand. At syempre, free guide provided by the seller. So, hindi lahat ng seller nagpo-provide ng free guide. So, you have to check if sino yung seller na makakatulong talaga sa'yo. Syempre, best for first-timers if you want to try lang yung digital product. So, kung gusto mo lang i-try, pwede ka mag-purchase and then i-resell mo. Tapos, malalaman mo if mag-work ba sa'yo yung digital products. At all in all, syempre, both ito kailangan talaga i-market, kailangan din aralin at effortan at the same time. Why start with reselling? Alam nyo, as for me, based on my experience, kasi I started with reselling products din until matutunan ko talaga lahat ng steps and kaya ako nakakapag-share sa inyo right now, it's because natutunan ko na siya at nalaman ko kung paano siya nag-work. Now, because pwede mo kasing gawing starting point or reference yung product na bibilin mo. Katulad na lang ng ginawa ko. Pwede ka na kumita habang inaaral mo yung product na binili mo. You have guidance from seller. Meron kang matatanungan if need mo ng support. You have community where you can ask for insights and help. Hindi ka na malilito at sobrang mag-research isa-isa dahil compiled na yung guide at yung product na bibilin mo na para sa'yo. So in reselling digital products made in Canva, you have option if you want to sell it as is or make some minimal edit. You can rebrand and modify PLR products. Basic editing will do kahit no experience ka kasi nga sobrang beginner-friendly naman kapag sa Canva yung digital products. Easy to download and access using Canva, of course. You can use free account on Canva. So, kahit hindi ka naka-pro account, pwedeng-pwede ka mag-start. Kasi optional lang naman yung pro account. User-friendly app that even a 13-year-old can navigate Canva. You can resell the product as many times as you want. So yes, kaya po lahat sa Canva. Canva sobrang efficient kasi ng Canva. Sobrang flexible na kahit ano pwede mong gawin sa kanya. Even work man yan or business or for digital product nga, pwedeng-pwede mo gamitin si Canva. Alright, so paano naman yung process of reselling? Number one, syempre, you have to buy done-for-you products kasi nga magre-resell ka. And kailangan dito ng one-time payment capital. After nun, once makabili ka na ng product, is you have to double-check or access the product if ano ba yung resell rights ng product. And then, you have the option to rebrand if PLR man yan to your preferred branding. Now, after mo ma-modify yung product, you can proceed publishing your product to a third-party websites or create your own sales funnel, which is meron din ako nito and provided ko sa mga nag-avail sa akin. Number 5, syempre, of course, market your products using your social media accounts and then answer inquiries that convert into sale. Once you got your sale, syempre, last one is to ask for feedback or testimonials ng nag-purchase sa'yo para magamit mo siya for your marketing purposes. So reselling existing done for you products means 100% of a profit. Ibig sabihin, walang cut, walang commissions yung seller na nabilan mo or wala kang pagbibigyan ng kahit kanino sa profit mo dahil sa'yo na yung product at sa'yo na din 100% yung kita mo. Kaya naman, yes, sobrang solid niya if ngayon pa lang na-imagine mo na. If ngayon pa lang na-imagine mo na kapag nagkaroon ka ng digital products like create once and then you can sell it unlimited. Bibilin mo lang ng isang beses at pwede mo na siya ibenta unlimited kasi nga wala pong expiration kapag digital products. Product na magiging sa'yo na rin, you will have full access mismo sa product. You will have the right and 100% ownership that you can sell as your own. So once bumili ka and then binodify mo yon, nirebrand mo, inedit mo, 100% na yon ay sa'yo na rin at syempre you can sell it as your own na nga. It will become your digital business that you can handle anytime. So ikaw na masusunod, ikaw yung boss, hindi ka mapipressure kasi ikaw yung masusunod, pwede mo siyang gawin anytime you want. So, ito yung mga dapat mo i-consider reselling done for you digital product as your own. Siyempre, of course, this is business. Merong one-time capital, which is sobrang sulit niyan. Ready to sell product kasi hindi ka nagagawa from scratch. Editable product dahil pwede mo nga i-rebrand. 100% ownership, 100% profit. Good for beginner or a newbie. And no need na to start from scratch or to create from scratch. Okay, kaya naman para mas magets mo pa mabuti, how to earn, kasi alam ko isa na to sa mga questions mo. For example, you bought the product that you want to resell for 799. Ang minimum selling price niya is 799 din. And you sell it for 999. Tapos nagkaroon ka ng first sale or yung one sale, it is return on investment. Ibig sabihin, nabawi mo na yung kapital mo. Nabawi mo na yung pinambili mo ng product, tapos kumita ka pa kasi binenta mo siya ng mas mataas. So yes, pwede mo siyang ibenta ng mas mataas, depende sa prefer mong price. And syempre, after nun, your next profits would be pure net profits, unlimited na, kaya sobrang solid. And ito yung isang example ng computations for 30 days kapag meron kang sale every day. Yung having one product na ibebenta mo, unlimited, tapos wala ka nang iintindihin, hindi mo babantayan, hindi mo aasikasuhin kasi nga nasa online lang siya. So, kahit nasa labas ka, busy ka, or minsan nga kahit natutulog ka, possible magka-profits ka kapag nag-start ka mag-market. Ang maintenance, wala kang staff na babayaran, walang physical product, walang capital rollings, kasi nga, isang beses mo lang gagawin kaya sobrang solid. So what to expect if you have digital products na automated? Yes, automated yung digital products kasi nga online lang siya, wala ka nang aasikasuhin. Especially if gumamit ka na ng mga third-party websites, ganito na yung possible maging notifications mo every day. So sa akin po ito, ayan for example, para lang may idea din kayo, ayan yung everyday notifications ko and yes, meron talagang bumibili sa maniwala ka man o sa hindi. Pero imagine, hindi ka nahirapan mag-pack, wala kang pinaship, pero meron kang nabebenta online. Tapos meron kang notifications na ganito everyday. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, meron pa like sunod-sunod yung oras ng pag-purchase sa akin. Hindi mo expect kapag meron kang digital product business or kapag nag-start ka na. Okay, so what if gagawa ako ng sarili kong product? So, let's say for example, ayaw mo mag-resell pero gusto mo mag-start, walang problema kasi you can create your own digital product naman from scratch. Okay? So, creating your own digital product from scratch means perfect for people na knowledgeable, na online. Alam mo talaga kung ano yung product na gagawin mo. Ibig sabihin, may naiisip ka na right at this moment. Mas gusto mo mag-self-study, independent ka at may experience at creative. You are also willing to invest more of your time to research, willing ka aralin gumawa from scratch at extra resourceful ka. Kasi kailangan resourceful ka talaga kapag gagawa ka ng sarili mong digital products. And of course, kung wala kang budget to purchase resellable, done for you digital products, then you can create your own. So, creating your own digital product from scratch, ito yung kailangan mo din i-consider. Kailangan yung skills mo, knowledge mo, sipag, tiyaga, oras, at creativity mo na rin. Kasi hindi naman po pwede mag-start ka lang tapos wala ka pang naiisip. So, kung wala ka talagang pang-purchase or ayaw mo maglabas ng any capital, yes na yes, pwede ka pa rin mag-start from scratch. There you have it. Just to summarize, kapag mag-start ka ng digital products, meron kang dalawang options. Again, kapag ayaw mo nang may capital, no capital, syempre self-study yan. Research everything about digital products and creating your digital product from scratch. And then kapag gusto mo naman na meron ka ng guide, may ready-made products ka na, then you can start reselling digital products with one-time capital or one-time payment lang naman yan. With reselling digital products naman, syempre, meron niyang one-time capital, which is sobrang sulit naman kasi one-time lang yan. After nun, you will have the access na to digital products na gusto mo i-resell, compiled guides, and ready to sell and rebrand the products right away. Okay, so upon watching this free webinar at gusto mo talagang mag-start agad-agad, ito yung product na pwede mong simulan. I recommend this digital product blueprint for beginner kasi andito na lahat ng kailangan mong malaman. And of course, syempre, editable lahat ng product na ito at pwede mo siyang i-resell at i-rebrand as your own. At kasama na doon yung guidance from me at yung mga effective marketing na pwede kong ituro sa'yo. Pero paano naman kung bundles ang product na gusto mo i-resell? Bundles po, ibig sabihin, ito yung sama-sama na yung product. Parang multo na siya. Multiple products in one purchase. Ibig sabihin, para kang nag-wholesale ng digital products at mas discounted kasi yung bundles. At ito talagang bundles yung karamihan na pinapurchase sa akin kasi nga, nandito na lahat ng kailangan mong malaman. At discounted, syempre. Okay, so how to earn from bundle done for you products. For example, binili mo yung bundle for 3,699. Ang inclusion nun is around 30 to 50 MRR and PLR products. So yes po, combined na yon, may halong MRR and PLR. Pwede mo siya ibenta individually or as is na as a bundle. For example, binili mo siyang 3,699 and then pwede mo siya ibenta as the same price. Kung gusto mo naman mas mataas, then pwede rin. So meaning to say, lahat ng products sa loob ng bundle ay pwede mo ibenta isa-isa. So imagine kung gaano kadami yung products na laman ng bundle. Compact na yon. So ikaw na magsasawa ka na talaga kasi sobrang dami nun at lahat ng kailangan mo is andun na. Is required ba talaga na i-resell din yung products? Ang sagot, of course, no. It is only optional kung gusto mo lang naman mag-profit from it habang inaaral mo siya. Pero kung mas prefer mo na aralin lang or for personal use, mag-upskill ka and then mas okay po yun. But just a reminder na hindi lahat ng digital products ay pwede rin i-resell. So you have to be careful kung saan ka mag-purchase talaga ng product na gusto mo simulan. So ito yung top 5 done for you profitable digital products na pwede mo din simulan today. As for me, based on the experience sa isang taon, ito na yung nakikita ko talaga na in demand at profitable sa market. Number 1 dyan is ebook for guides and marketing, tutorials and courses, mock-up and templates, learning materials, social media graphics. Ayan. Kasi dito, with this top 5 na to, ito talaga yung solution sa iba. Talagang ma-apply mo din sa business or sa work mo man yan, freelancing, etc. Ang next question is, once may digital products ka na, saan mo ngayon ibibenta or ipapublish yung product mo? So I have here the list. Number 1, syempre dyan yung Rocket.ph, Etsy, Shopify, System.io, Gumroad, Coffee, and marami pang iba. So dito mo pwede ibenta yung digital products mo or ipublish sa mga third-party websites. But other than that, of course, kailangan mo pa siya i-market outside to promote your products. And here's a reminder for you before ka mag-purchase ng digital products, it is important to consider kung sino yung seller na bibilan mo or mag-background seller check ka muna if legit ba talaga yung seller. Make sure products are safe to resell, offer after sales assist na pwede mo matanungan kapag kailangan mo ng guide. So hindi siya dapat biglang nawawala kapag kabayad mo, hindi mo na makontak, kapag kabayad mo or pag may tanong ka, hindi ka na nire-replyan. So you have to check if yung seller ba is credible enough para sa'yo or para bilhan mo. At syempre, wag na tayong lumayo. Andito lang din naman ako. Ayan. So, ayan, syempre, chika ko na din yung mga bundles ko or yung product ko. I have premium bundles which is dito yung guide at meron na ring mini course na kasama. May mga templates na din. May racket tutorial, may sales funnel, at marami pang iba. For only, ito yung price niya kapag gusto mo ng premium bundle. And then kapag gusto mo naman nakasama yung mga learning materials katulad ng BC Books, ito yung para sa'yo. Actually, marami pa to pero hindi ko na-include dito kasi sobrang dami at hindi na siya kakasya yung mock-up ko dyan. But if gusto mo ng mas discounted pa talaga dyan, I have this all-in bundle which is sobrang bestseller at ito talaga yung pinupurchase sa akin dahil sabi ko nga kapag bundle, bulto na yung product na yan at pwede mo yan ibenta isa-isa or as is na bundle. So yes, depende na lang talaga sa'yo. Imagine if ibebenta mo yan ng a la carte or isa-isa. So sobra-sobra pa yung babalik na ROI sa'yo. Just like, kaya nga nasabi ko kanina, wala naman expiration yung digital product. So if ever, pwede mo yan gawin today, the next day, next month, or next year. So it's up to you if anong product yung gusto mong simulan dito. But lahat naman ito is resellable. Naman ito is safe to resell and lahat yan kasama na yung guidance, may chat support, and merong assistance from me. So isa sa mga questions mo right now is kung legit ba talaga or totoo ba talaga tong chika ko. So I have here some results. And actually, sa sobrang dami niya, hindi naman kayang ilagay lahat dito. But here are some. So, ayan, after nilang mag-purchase ay nakapag-ROI na sila and the rest of their income is talagang pure profits na. Take note, one-time capital lang yun ha. Isang beses lang sila nag-capital. Yung iba nakapag-purchase na ng gadgets, ng cellphone, ng laptop. Iba naman kung ano-ano na nabili or na-provide for their family because of this digital products. Again, unlimited selling and no expiration yung digital products. Kaya naman, depende na lang sa'yo kung kailan mo gustong gawin dahil anytime naman pwede mo siyang asikasuhin. Kung mabisi ka man today, tomorrow, or the next month, pwedeng-pwede mo siya balikan anytime. If gusto mo na mas maraming testimonials, you can just go to my Instagram dito sa mga highlights ko kasi sobrang dami nito, like mananawa ka sa mga feedbacks and testimonials since last year. Andito lahat ng result ng mga nag-purchase at mga proofs na mga nag-avail sa akin. So, pwede nyo yan isa-isahin na lang kasi sobrang dami. Hindi ko na masingit dito sa free webinar na to. And of course, ayan, you can visit also my Racket.ph account. May mga reviews din doon. So, ayan po siya. At syempre, 5 stars, pro and verified seller po tayo sa Racket. Okay, other than that, syempre, meron pang additional na makukuha mo if you purchase bundles. So, ready to sell, MRR digital products and PLR, guidance and support, private group chats, free tutorials, catch-up calls, access to existing webinars and future webinars, and of course, yung sales funnel ko, or sales funnel na built-in kung saan i-edit mo na lang katulad nung sa akin. Makukuha mo lang yon for free para hindi ka na mahirapan mag-set up ng digital product. Dahil syempre umabot ka hanggang tulo, I have this limited exclusive offer. If you avail all-in bundle within 24 hours after watching this free webinar, you will get this for free. Itong video invitation course na to. Kapag bibili mo siya separately, it is 1,499. Pero if i-avail mo at galing ka dito sa webinar ko, i-screenshot mo lang tong webinar na to at isend mo sa akin para bigyan kita ng access kapag bumili ka ng all-in bundle. So marami din tong laman. Andiyan yung Racket Guide, Etsy Beginner's Guide, ManyChat automations, at marami pang digital products na kasama. Kaya naman if you are really interested to start, ito yung aking mode of payment, ito yung QR code, and yung aking GCash, as well as yung bank account, ito rin yung BPI ko. Merong QR code, ayan, para mas madali ka makapag-pay. Just let me know na galing ka dito sa webinar na to para mabigay ko sa'yo yung exclusive na offer. So that would be all. Thank you for staying until the end. At dahil dyan, meron akong free ebook para sa'yo for beginner kapag gusto mo malaman pa yung ibang details about how to start digital product or basic step. Screenshot mo lang din to and message me on my Instagram para masend ko sa'yo yung free copy. So ayun lang. Thank you so much and God bless.